Guys, please check your audio and video settings. Is audio video is okay? Yeah. So yesterday we are busy in what? Deploying our application. We are busy deploying our application. So first step is what? Configuring glass, installing adapter. Installing adapter. Second one is what? Configuring Glassfish server with Eclipse IDE. I think yesterday we completed adapter installation. Okay, adapter is a plugin that allows server environment to be linked with Eclipse. Only Tomcat server is getting built-in adapters. For remaining all servers, adapter should be installed explicitly. And there is a process to follow, and I have given that process also. Okay, na? Right. So configure Glassfish server with Eclipse IDE. Let's see. Preferences. Preferences. Please switch off your mics. Preferences. Come on. Server, runtime environment, add. See, boss, yesterday we didn't get Glassfish anywhere, but today we are getting Glassfish. Did you observe this? Did you observe this? Come on, guys. Glassfish. Did you observe this Glassfish server? Yesterday we didn't get Glassfish anywhere. It's because we have completed adapters installation. Okay, let me do that by moving to our workspace. Yes, boss. Let me do that work. Anyhow, it takes time to boot up. Facebook.com. Yesterday, I kept one announcement, boss. Wednesday, we kept one announcement. Yes. Everyone seen this announcement? Yeah. If any of your friends, relatives belonging to 2021 passed out, 2021 passed outs, and looking for 7 lakh package as fresher and want to be one of the 300 members that are there. Okay. Right. And you want to prepare yourself for the exam pattern. Naresh IT is giving free 10 days program, free 10 days training program for that exam, Okay. It's a 2021. Check once. Link is also given. All the details are there in the link. If you are interested, you can check that also. Okay. NCR is a MNC, boss. It's there in multiple cities also. So Naresh ID is providing that. So utilize that opportunity. Here is the demo link. 2021 passed out. That means the people are going to pass out in 21. The people who are going to pass out in 21. Got it? Yes. It's a good company. NCR Technologies is a good company. NCR. Actually, most of the ATM services are developed by these people only. I think not engineering, yes, maybe MCA. Check the details. I'm not very sure about it. Check the details, then you will get idea. Yeah. Okay, boss. That's possible. Yes. Okay, now let me configure Glassfish server here. Window menu, preferences, server, runtime environment, add. Server runtime environment, add. Glassfish, create a new local server. Say next. Glassfish location. You have to choose installation folder of the Glassfish, boss. I think in my system, Glassfish is there in 5.x server. Where bin directory is there, Glassfish bin directory is there, you have to select that folder. Okay, JDK picked up automatically here, don't worry. Say next. Say next. Actually, it is choosing Java location because in my environment variable Java 8 is activated. That's why Java 8. No, sir, I want to see it's working with Java 13. Yes, you can take Java 13 also, not a issue. Program files, Java 13. Java 13. Oh, Java location. I think I have to write bin directory also. Java installation folder not found in specific folder. Ayyo, what's happening here? What's happening? Go to back. Glassfish. Java installation folder is not there. JRE library folder. JDK. Aha. 1 minute. JRE. Array, JRE is not there. JRE is not there. Okay, we'll adjust with the JDK. What is there in that? Okay, we'll adjust with the Java 8. What is there in that? Anyhow, stable version is that only, na? Right. Say next. Yeah, which domain? You want to configure with which domain? We have our own domain. Don't forget that. We have our own domain. What is our own domain? Domains 914 domain. 914 domain. Automatically it changes. What's the password? Username password here? Test user. Test user. Password is also test user. If I remembered as for my knowledge. Okay. Glassfish server is configured. Apply and close. Okay. Port number not required, na? Okay. Apply and close. Apply and close. Right. It's not asking. It will pick up automatically. Not there. Not required. Okay, boss. Now I will give the procedure first. Yes, boss. Yeah, add glassfish, again glassfish, glassfish, again glassfish. Next one. Okay, glassfish. Then what is there? What is there? Create local server. Create local server. Mm, Create local server. Come on, guys. After that, what next? Create local server. Glassfish home. Glassfish home. Yes, next. Glassfish home. After that, what next? Okay, select GF NTHB. Select a new GF NTHB 914 domain. Select GF NTHB 914 domain. Next one. Next one. Username test user. Password test user. Password test user. Okay. Once you go there, dot. So everything is perfect, but I have to give glassfish home. What is glassfish home in my system? E-dry glassfish. E-dry glassfish. Okay, I think we have glassfish. Glassfish, again glassfish. Okay, I think I have to give up to this. Where bin directory is there, that I have to give. Where bin directory is there, that I have to give. That's fine. Fine. Glassfish server is configured, boss. Step number 10. Step number 7. Run the application. Run the application. Right click on the project. Okay. Run as, run as, run as, okay. Run on server. What is that? Run on server, run as server. What will be the option, boss? Run on server. Run as, run on server. Select glassfish. Okay, it's saying that I don't support Java facet 13. Don't worry. We will change that one to 8, not a issue. Run as, run on server, select glassfish server. Dot. So right now it is not compatible with Java 13 here. I think still it is compatible with Java 8. We'll stick with Java 8 only. Okay. Project facets. Java will move to 1.8. Say done. Say nice. Right click. Run on server. Glassfish server. Say next. Yeah, why you are choosing glassfish? Other day we kept connection pool, server managed connection pool ready in the glassfish only. This is the main example of working with the server managed connection pool. Next, thread local based session object. Two concepts I am showing here. Two concepts I am showing here. First time takes bit time. First time takes time to start. Everything happens in this one only. Server starting, everything happens. Go to console, server is starting, boss. You can see the console. Yeah, starting Glassfish server. It won't be this much slow now, yaar. Struck up at 68%. Huh? No, we cannot refresh in the middle, boss. First time also, I never seen this much time it is taking. Maybe just no ID started. Maybe that could be the reason. Ah, what is this? Yeah, in your lap it takes more time. I know that. Okay. Come on, guys. Come on. It's actually lightweight. It won't take much time. First time I'm feeling it. Yeah, we can deploy manually also, but I want to show this option. That's it. We can start server manually and we can deploy manually also. Yeah. Cancel the request. It has taken 3 minutes time yesterday for 3 minutes. Right click, run on server. Let's try one more time. Progress bar, cancel request. I think it got hanged, boss. It got hanged here. Let's come to servers. Stop the server. First I'll say stop the server. Mar babre. Let's restart Eclipse once. It got hanged, boss. But I have not seen it is taking this much time. Fine. No problem. We'll try one more time. We'll try one more time. If not coming, what we do is we will go for, I will start manually and we deploy manually. It can be done. So, yeah, this is Gradle initializations. Don't worry about it. Close the project. Yes. Servers, Glassfish server. Start it. Oh, encountered the problem. Yeah, port number is busy. That means already started server is not stopped, boss. Already started server is not stopped. That's a problem. Okay. Port number issue. Then just look for end task. Yeah, is there any Java? Because internally that is Java virtual machine only. You start any Java related this one. End task. End task. You kill any Java related one, then problem is solved. Okay, now you observe. Start it. Now you observe. Start it. Okay. Now it is able to start the server. Okay. Last attempt, boss. If still not coming, we will try to do manually. Because yesterday we spent time to configure server and other things. Command cannot start server. Gautam Gulam Muhammad. When I try to start the server, I face this server. Either port number is busy or domain not created properly. Either port number is busy or domain not created. Yes, starting boss, server console. Check one, check one. Otherwise, try to create a new domain. That's the only solution. Arey, we'll do in Tomcat also. Wait, ra babu. Patience is most important for programmer. Subham Rathor, nowadays you are not having patience now, guy. Okay. We have spent some time on Glassfish. We installed, we created domain. Without seeing practicals, how can we leave the? We will see. Patience is most important. Not required here. Glassfish is not this much bad server. I have shown to multiple times in Serlet class. It used to respond very nicely. It used to respond very nicely, very solidly. Serlet classes, how nicely we discussed. Okay. I'm stopping this. It is not even shutting down also. It is not even shutting down also properly. Search for Java services. Java and task. Not antivirus, nothing. Nothing like that. Fine. I'll try to start from command prompt here. You try same option. Run on server, application will launch. If I restart the system again, you have to join in the meeting. Restart system. Come on, great thoughts. Okay, fine. So I want to get into bin directory. I'll start from command prompt. I deploy manually. Yes, admin, but you start hyphen domain gf nthb 914 domain. Yes, admin. Start hyphen domain gf nthb 914 domain. Yes, started successfully here or not? This is admin port. Okay, right. Fine. So, sir, if I want to deploy in a manual process, what should I do? Let's get the var file. Export var file, which location? Export var file to which location? GFNTHB914 auto deploy folder. Actually, if you use Eclipse IDE, everything it will take care, boss. But right now, optimize to Glassfish file, override existing files. This is the name of the web application. Save finish. Save finish. Deployment is done. Okay, now let's test the application now. HTTP colon. Yeah, local host. What's the HTTP port number we have taken other day? 7576, if I am not wrong. 7576. Paste. I think I configured search.html as a welcome file. Yes, search.html as a welcome file. Product ID. Product ID. 1001 table product is there in my table. Who knows? Okay. Yes, you are also right. Command line. I can open SQL prompt also. It's not like that. Fine. Select star from product. Okay. Connect system manager. Select star from product. Okay. 16 and 26 products are there. Let me give the 16. Let me give the 16. Get product details. It is trying to hit the database. It is trying to hit the database. Yes, 16 chair 9 40,008 premium. Premium. I am writing extra logic in the DTO and we are getting it. Did you notice it? And home page. So right now it is using Glassfish server managed connection pool or not. Right now it is using Glassfish server managed connection. Did you notice it? Did you realize, guys? Did you realize, guys? Okay. And it is using session object. Okay. I have to do improvisation in this one. But right now, Glassfish is not showing any server console to see the improvisations properly. That's why first I will give knowledge of what? Creating connection pool in Tomcat server, because in Tomcat server we can see server console, all the things properly. Then I will do some improvisations. Yes, still I have not closed session object and session factory object. Did you realize that? Closing is optional, but it recommended to close, but still I have not closed. Did I close session factory in the application anywhere? Did I close session factory in the application anywhere? No, not closed. So that's why what I do is, first of all, I will teach how to create JDBC connection pool in Tomcat server, boss. Okay. See, you can happily use run on server. In my system, some problem is there. It is taking time. That's why I'm going for what? Manual practice. Maybe in the middle, I changed JDK version. Now that has disturbed, it seems. Okay. Now let me go for procedure to create. Procedure to create JDBC connection pool in the Tomcat server configured with Eclipse IDE. JDBC connection pool for Oracle in the Tomcat server configured with Eclipse IDE. Step number one. Step number one. Make sure that Tomcat server is configured with Eclipse ID. Yes, boss. Let's do that work. Window menu, preferences, server. Server. I think everyone know how to install Tomcat na? Come on. Runtime environment. Everyone might have worked with the Tomcat also. Okay. We'll see Wildfly also. Don't worry. Yes. Where is this? Apache. Apache is there. Tomcat 9 is latest one. Say next. Choose the installation folder of Tomcat. I'll give procedure. Don't worry. E drive Tomcat 9.x. Installation folders mean generally the folder where bin is there. Bin is there. Apply, close. This is the first process. What is the process, boss? Yes, boss. Same as previous, I don't need a array. Let me keep everyone in mind, boss. I know you are intelligent, Mr. Akshay Bhushe. Fine. Add. What is this? Apache. Select Apache. Select. Otherwise, Tomcat 9. Tomcat 9. Come on. Tomcat 9. Then we have to choose Tomcat home, boss. Tomcat installation folder. Tomcat home directory. Nothing but installation folder. What is home directory of Tomcat, guys? E drive Tomcat 9.x. Tomcat 9.x. Done. Yes, boss. Step number 2. Step number 2. Step number 2. Add the following resource tag. The following resource tag in context.xml. Context.xml file of Project Explorer servers yarrow Tomcat. Tomcat section. Tomcat section. Let's see. Here we are having servers option. Tomcat option. Come on, guys. Servers option, Tomcat option. Here we have to place context.xml. Let me open context.xml. Yes, resource tag already there because in outside Tomcat I already kept, but I don't want to give the feeling. Okay, I'm just showing some ready-made one. No. Under context tag you have to place, boss. Context.xml under context tag. In context tag of context.xml. Context.xml. Tag is context. XML file is also this. Sir, how to get that resource tag? I am very new to this one. Okay. I'm very new to this. Array, you can get that context tag from Tomcat documentation. Not even from internet here. Tomcat documentation. This is Tomcat server na. Okay, web apps. We have a default example applications. Docs is one example web application. There you launch index.html. Index.html. There is a section called JDBC data sources. JDBC data sources. Okay. There you can see lot of resource tags. See this specific to Oracle one resource tag is there, boss. Resource tag. Go there and paste. That's what everyone do and you also should do. Yeah, here JNDI name, DSJNDI. Fine. Same driver. URL local host. Okay, they have given IP address local host. SID is what? XC. What is the username? System manager. Max idle 20. Okay. Why two times max idle? Yeah. Okay. Max total 20, max idle 10. Okay, fine. Manager spell mistake. Fine, we'll correct it. Max wait milliseconds. Max wait milliseconds. Okay, until connection object comes, you wait. You wait. Suppose if you give 20 milliseconds, after 200 milliseconds, after waiting for 200 milliseconds, if a connection pool is not giving any connection object, it will throw exception. Okay, 20,000 millisecond means it will wait for 20 seconds. So within 20-second connection object should come from connection pool. If not coming, exception will be raised. If not coming, exception will be raised. Max wait. Yeah, this is the resource tag, boss. You have to place this resource tag as usually. Okay. As usual, you have to place. From where you have to gather, boss? From where you have to gather? Array, just now I have opened. Now, how I opened? Copy this. I think in my browser, everything is opening through this. So no domain creation in Tomcat. Tomcat is a small server, no domain creation. Yeah, collect from. This I call is Tomcat home directory. Tomcat home directory slash web apps slash docs slash this one. Nice guys, this is what? This is step number 1, this is step number 2. Yes, we are ready, boss. We are ready. Connection pool also ready. One small thing is there with respect to Tomcat. We have to add one fixed prefix for JNDA name. Whenever you are working with Tomcat server, you should add extra prefix for. We should add extra prefix for JNDA name. That is Java :comp /env slash. That's a fixed prefix here in the JNDA registry. It is will be stored a bit deeper. That's why we have to do that. Remaining all servers, that headache is not there. Only for Tomcat that extra prefix is required, boss. I think you studied this point in Hyper, what is that? Servlet class also. This is extra prefix for Tomcat. CONP/ENV slash. And actually in the JNDA registry, it is not there at top level. It is kept a bit deeper, and the deeper location you are giving. In the JNDA registry of Tomcat, things are not there in outer side or root level. So this data source object is kept a bit deeper, and the deeper level information we are giving. The deeper level information we are giving. Only for Tomcat. This is only for Tomcat. Only for Tomcat. Place extra prefix. Place extra prefix. What is this extra prefix? This one is the extra prefix. Done. right click, run on server, Tomcat, say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Yes, it came. Internal browser it is using. 16. It is hitting the database. First time takes bit time. Query generation, we are able to see that. I'll give some number which is not there. No product found. Things are happening nicely now. Okay. Right now it is using what? Tomcat managed JDBC connection pool. Sir, no GUI, nothing in connection pool creation in Tomcat server are not there. Poor server na boss. Okay, poor server, that's why. Okay. Sir, when it goes to error page, if any exception comes, for example, I have given wrong password in the connection pool creation. I have given wrong password in the connection pool creation. So that leads to an exception. Whenever exception rises, for any reason, any exception rises, run on server, any reason, if exception rise, control goes to exception page. You have given correct number, but this time exception comes because of data source related issues. Connectivity happening. Internal problem, try again. Come on. Got it for exception related issues. Any exception, not only this exception, any exception at any level. That may be related to data source or your query, whatever it is. Yes. In Hibernate, all exceptions are unchecked exceptions. That's the reason in a DAO service, no need of saying throws. But in the controller, we caught and handle. You know that, okay? We have by default unchecked exceptions are supporting exception propagation. Okay, boss. Now let me add that point in today's class. Then we will go to what? Hibernate configuration file. Yes. Okay. That topic is over. So now let me write a point. While specifying data source JNDI name of Tomcat server. Data source JNDI name of Tomcat server in Hibernate configuration file. Hibernate configuration file. We need to add some extra prefixes as shown below. As shown below. Paste it. We need to add extra prefixes as shown below. These are those extra prefixes, boss. Right? This topic also over. Okay. Now listen. Okay, I want to check whether if I try to get two session objects for one request, if I try to get two session objects for one request to perform two persistence operations, whether it is giving single session object or two session objects, I want to check it practically. Okay, already one session object is there. I will try to use one more word, session one. Only for knowledge sake here. Right now we don't have any requirement, but I want to check whether our theory is matching or not matching. Recollect our product vendor example. Right now we don't have that example because for that example association mapping knowledge is required. Okay. Everyone, Pooja Gupta madam, close, switch off your camera. Get session. Sys out session dot hash code space session one dot hash code. I'm trying to check whether it is giving same hash code or different hash codes. Anyhow, one request, one thread. And for one thread, I created only one session object. If you ask session object twice in one request, it will use same session object that is collected and kept in what? Thread local or not? Come on. That is collected and kept in thread local or not? Run on server. Nice, nice, finish. See, we are able to work with the server managed connection pool. I'm not compromising. I'm showing all permutations and combinations. Did you realize that? Product ID. Product ID. I think I have correct password I have given. Correct password only there now. Guys, why are you switching on your cameras, guys? Don't you have common sense? Okay, 16. Anyhow, output comes. I am not worried about that. Yeah, 26 also there. Output is coming here. But look at the server console, boss. Look at the server console. Look at the server console. Seven five zero 750. My theory and practicals are matching or not matching? But I have not explained like this. I have explained like this. If get product is calling get vendor method. If get vendor method also trying to get the session object. If get vendor method also trying to get the session object. Come on, guys. If the get vendor method also trying to get the session object. Okay, since get product and get vendor both are called in a single request. What request here? Single request. That time it is using same session object because other day we have kept hibernate util.java. We developed hibernate util.java keeping session object in thread local. Everyone understood my point there? Yes. This is one proof here. See, server managed connection pool practically proved. Now, thread local based session object creation is also practically proved. Now, got it? Okay. Now, one more improvisation. In JSP, we should minimize writing Java code here. We should minimize writing Java code. Sir V. Razu, I'm going to come to that concept. How to close session, where to close session factory. I'll come to that. Okay. See, boss. See, we minimized Java code, but still I don't want to write Java code. I want to write this if conditions. I want to write this if condition, everything through. Everything through. Tags. Sir, those many tags are not there in JSP, na? No problem. We have got JSTL tag libraries full of tags, if condition tag, for loop tag, for everything tag. So JSTL tags allows us to develop our JSPs as what? Java codeless JSPs. What JSPs here? Java codeless JSPs. So shall I improvise with the JSP tags, boss? Okay, I'm not touching this. I will keep this entire section in comment, boss. I'll keep this entire section in comment. Okay. But if you want to work with the JSTL, we should add JSTL related to jar files, boss. We should add 2 jar files related to JSTL. Agree with me? Yeah, very soon. I think within 1 week, 10 days, I'm going to teach JSTL for what? 11 o'clock students. If anyone interested, I will announce. Please come and attend. I will share the meeting ID. Please come and attend. JSTL is very, very important. Yes. mvnrepository.com. mvnrepository.com. What is this? mvnrepository.com. Here we are having JSTL. JSTL. Second one is good. More usages are there. 1.2. Copy this. If you select, that is equal to copy. Say paste. Collect this implementation. Say paste. One more jar here. Standard.jar. What dot jar? Standard.jar. One more jar. Standard.jar. Back. Standard.jar. Here is my standard, boss. 1.12. Copy this. Paste it. Copy this. Paste it. Standard.jar. These two are the jars. I will give procedure to work with the JSTL. Don't worry. Array, JSTL is bunch of tag libraries. Tag library is nothing but tags. Library, like Java packages. Library having tags. Tag library is a library that is having bunch of tags. Tag library is a library that is having bunch of tags. Understanding my statement there or not there? Okay. Yes, sir. If you want to use class of a package, you will import the package or not. If you want to use class of a package, you will import the package or not. If you want to use class of a package, you will import the package or not. I want reply. If you want to use if you want to use class of a package, you have to import the package or not. We have to import the package or not. I want reply. Similarly, if you want to use a tag of a tag library, you have to import a tag library. You have to import the tag library. But package is identified with the package name. Import package name we will write. But tag library is identified with what, sir? A fixed URI. A fixed URI. Very lengthy URI is there. URI or URL. So a fixed URI. I have to import that URI. So to import that URI and to work with a certain tag library, we have a tag called tag lib. URI is equal to prefix core tag library. URI is equal to core tag library. Prefix is equal to C. Yeah, very simple, boss. JSTL is having core tag library that is identified with this the URI. Identified URI. I want to use core tag library JSP tags in my JSP page. That's why I'm importing the tag library by specifying the URI. By specifying the URI. Sir, why are you writing prefixes, sir? Why are you writing prefixes, sir? Why are you writing prefixes, sir? Are you getting my point? What is the need of prefixes, sir? Why are you writing prefixes, sir? Come on, guys. Come on. Array, 10 tag libraries are there. Listen. 10 tag libraries are there, given by 10 different companies. All these companies may take same tag name with different functionalities. Come on. Then to differentiate the tags, That time prefix is useful or not? C for core. C for what? Core tag library. While working with the tags of different tag libraries, if same tag name is there in multiple tag libraries, then they can be differentiated with prefixes. Then can be differentiated with prefixes. For example, I created my own tag library. There also include tag is there. There also include tag is there. Concentrate. But then how JSP include is differentiated from my include tag here? My prefix dot include my include tag. JSP colon include is JSP include tag. Come on. Sir, why should I use both tags? Are my include is having my own meaning. JSP include is having some other meaning, right? JSP include is having what? Some other meaning. Are you getting my point? So I want both tags in one JSP. In that situation, prefixes are very, very important or not. C means core. C is the shortcut for core. Not compulsory, you should take C. X, Y, Z you can take. I think you are expecting me to teach entire JSTL here. Comments it in JSP batch, please. Okay? Okay, I'll give only 3 lines. JSTL is full of tag libraries having JSP tags. Every JSP tag library is having bunch of tags and it is identified with URI. If you want to use tags of tag library in JSP, you have to import the tag library by specifying taglib URI and prefix. By specifying taglib URI and prefix. Okay, prefix is your choice, taglib URI is fixed. Now listen, this line I can write as it is. Okay. I need a expression language. Fine. This line I can write as it is. Fine. Okay. Now first what I am doing here, I am checking whether request attribute PDTO is there or not there. I am checking whether request attribute PDTO is there or not there. Okay. Then how to check through tags, sir? How to check through tag? C colon choose. C colon choose. Sir, if is there na, sir. For if we cannot write else block, Abdullah. For if there is no else tag. But if it is a choose, I can write else tag. Understanding my point there. If it is a choose tag, I can write else tag. Okay. Now tell me. C colon if test. Okay. Test. Are you getting my point? C colon if test. Sorry, if is not required. This is like when tag. C colon when. Array C colon choose is like switch tag. C colon when is one case, switch case kind of thing. C colon when test, C colon when test. Flower bracket open. Flower bracket open. Not empty. What is that? Not empty. Not empty. Condition boss. Not empty. This kind of this one is there. Not empty is there. I think not empty. Like this I should write or not empty I should write. Okay. Not empty. Not empty. Not empty. I think it should be this one only. Okay. Not empty. Not empty. Come on, guys. Come on. Not empty. PDTO. If PDTO is there and it is not empty. PDTO is there and it is not empty. Dollar open flower bracket, closing flower bracket. PDTO is there and it is not empty. I hope you are understanding. This is expression language once again. Please comment it in JSTL classes. You will study this one. PDTO is there and it is not empty. Okay, then what I want to do, take a table and display the data. Take a table and display the data. Come on, guys. Is there any Java code? Is there any Java code? No. Yeah, for switch default is there na. Similarly, here we are having otherwise. As alternate to default, we are having otherwise. In otherwise, I think I can write no product found. No product found. As usually one hyperlink. As usually one hyperlink. Tell me, am I writing any Java code? What's the advantage, sir? What's the advantage? What's the advantage? Array, UI developers can enjoy that. If I keep Java code, UI developers who don't know Java, they will enjoy our JSP. Array, on JSP, 2-3 people will work together. Java developer will work. UI developer also will work. If you write Java code, UI developer will enjoy. Okay, boss. If I write Java code, UI developer will enjoy. I want reply. If I write Java code, UI developer will enjoy this. That's the reason this developing JSP without Java code concept has come. Everyone got the clarity there or not there? Super, boss. Okay. We should avoid or minimize Java code. UI people want to study JSP. UI people will open JSP and to write the code. UI people should work with HTML and JSP files only to write the code. Understanding my point there? Come on. So that's why in real time, JSP will not have Java code, JSTL only. Study JSTL very carefully. Okay. We should avoid or minimize Java code in JSP page to make our JSP page more readable and more friendly for UI team members, UI designers. Okay. UI designers. Right, boss. Okay. For this, we can use JSTL plus EL. Concepts. Here also avoiding Java code. The dollar forward bracket also avoiding Java code. Next one, generally we use JSTL and EL together, boss. You know that. Yeah. JSTL is having five JSP tag libraries. And every JSP tag library contains bunch of tags. Contains what? Bunch of tags and identified with tag lib URI. and identified with tag lib URI. Contains bunch of tags and identified with tag lib URI. Tag lib URI. To use JSP tag library tags in JSP page, we need to import tag lib URI. Okay, tag lib URI, and also specifying prefix. Okay, user defined prefix. Yeah, prefix is not fixed here. Prefix. Just now I said prefix. Are two students are having same name in the classroom. Not only with the name, we also identify them with their surnames or other details, right? Same thing. Prefix also same thing, boss. Okay. To use JSTL tags in our JSP pages. Yeah. Add JSTL libraries. Add libraries as dependents to the project. Yes. Okay. Go to build.gradle, boss. Go to build.gradle. Copy this, paste it. Yes. These are the two jars we have to add in our JSP pages. Okay, fine, yeah. Step number 2. Import JSP taglib URIs. JSP taglib URI. And use the tags. And use its tags. Result.jsp. Lakshmi, can I use dollar? Actually, expression tag. EL code is alternate to expression tag only, madam. EL code is always alternate to expression language code. Yes, guys, right. Okay, this is one thing. Prefix is one thing. Yeah, listen. Choose tag is one thing. Otherwise tag is one thing. When tag is one thing. These are the important tags. Fine. I think did I demonstrate the code after modifying the code? Did I executed this code after adding JSTL? No, it seems. Run on server. Any server you take, no problem. Say finish. Came 16 record will come. 404 controller 404. Why? What happened? Controller 404. C colon when C:1. 1 minute. Let me go for deployment assembly. Yeah, again, web content folder is missing. Did you notice it? After modification, web content folder is missing. Web content, file, apply. How come one file misses, right? Dynamically. Fine, let's see. Run on server, say next, save finish. The question is search.html also should not come, na? 16. Product not found. 16 not there, huh? Guys, 16 not there. 16 is there, it seems, na? 16 is there. So that means condition gone wrong. Product 16 is there. I supposed to get 16 product, right? So that means not empty DTO. Not empty DTO. Not empty. Not empty DTO. I think this is not doing well. Okay. Not empty. If empty DTO means control goes to else block, na? No. We should check. You know, is empty or not empty? I think I will write not empty. Not empty. Blue color is not coming. PDTO. 1 minute. No, that red color will come for this one. Anything. Empty is working. Not empty. No, yeah. Not empty is that only, boss. Not only. Not space empty, yeah. Okay, let me try this. Not space empty. Generally, that kind of operator will not be there. I think it is not empty only, boss. It is not empty only. But what the question is, when I write condition like this, it is coming. Otherwise, 1 minute. I'm checking emptiness. Is emptiness. I think it is not able to check emptiness. Wait, because it is not a collection not to check the emptiness. Listen. It is not a collection to check the emptiness. Come on. It's an ordinary object. That's why if PDTO, okay, not equal to null. PDTO not equal to null. Are you understanding my point? Yes. Are PDTO itself attribute ra babu. PDTO not equal to null. We'll check like this. Because collections we can check whether null or not. Collections we can check null or not, but it is an object. Okay, since it is the object, we cannot check whether it is null or not. Yes. NE means not equal to null. Not equal to null. 16. Yeah, now came. Are still no product. What's happening, guys? What's happening? Why always control going to not equal to null? Query coming nicely, hash code coming nicely. I think it is not taking changes, boss. Clean the project. Wait. Clean the project. Clean the project. If you reverse the condition, why I should reverse condition? Why it will not work? PDTO not equal to null. Not equal to null. No, is there 16 record is there here? Just now I checked in front of you. Let me try this one then. 1 minute. Let me write regular condition. Array, no problem. Array, just now I have shown output na without using JSTL. People now doubting context.xml is good. That is good. This is good. We'll try. First, let me get the basic success, then I will try. I think it is not equal to null. It is not null, it seems. It is actually not null. Not null, not null. No product found. No product found. 1 minute. Now I don't want to take chance. EL operators. EL operators in JSP. I'll try to get all EL operators. Don't worry now. EL operator. EL operator. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Empty is there. Wait. Empty is there. Okay. Not is there. Not is there. Both are right. Not is there. Not is there. Both are right. Understanding my point? You can write not or you can write not not. Both are right. Both are right. Come on, guys. Okay. Right now we don't have. Both are right. Now the question is why it is not taking. Not equal to null. Okay. I don't want to reverse the condition. Why should I reverse the condition? Why? It should work means work. Not empty. Okay. Not empty. What is the name of the attribute? PDTO. PDTO. Not empty. PDTO. Yeah, sometimes Eclipse will not take changes, boss. That's the biggest headache with Eclipse. So what is better option is clean the project. That's the one thing. Clean the project. Clean the project. Sometimes this is a headache, biggest headache with Eclipse. Run on server. This one. I feel Eclipse is not taking changes, boss. I strongly believe Eclipse is not taking changes. Otherwise, these many times same code, how does in all permutation and combination? Okay. Okay. 26. We will give 26. We'll give 26. 1 minute. Let me say Gradle refresh once. Array, it is testing our patience. Huh? Okay. I think it is still taking old code. I don't think it's taking old code. Then what's the problem? I think let me change the browser also. Chrome browser. No, don't change the server. Server is not required. Yeah, sometimes it will check our patience. Don't worry. Since I said Gradle refresh, I have to go deployment assembly. Once I say Gradle refresh, do always remember. Okay, always remember deployment assembly pointing to web content folder should be there. Yes, run on server, say next, say finish. Array, small concept. If this is over, I would have gone to new concept. What is this? Sometimes these small things only will irritate us. Okay, 16, this. What else I can do, guys? What else I can do? No product found. What else I can check here? Not empty. I checked operators. Mhm. Array. No, why should I reverse the condition? I have checked that. Let me confirm whether problem is with me or not. 16. 16. It's coming. With Java code, it is coming. Now we cannot blame Eclipse. Okay, we cannot blame Eclipse, boss. Sorry. So problem is somewhere with us. Problem is somewhere with us. Somewhere with us only. We are not writing proper condition here. We are not writing proper condition here. Array should not keep in session scope. Manideep Kumar, we should keep in request scope only. We should keep in request scope only. Array server level debugging takes time, boss. If you remove the condition once, what happens? Everything will come. If you get everything, it will be problem, na? Dollar, dollar. When you have a single object, how to check whether it is having null value or not? PDTO, 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 not null. PDTO, not null. Run on server, say next. I'll give number which is not there. I'll give number which is not there. Internal problem, try again. Internal problem, try again. Oh, when null is coming, listen carefully. When null is coming, it is throwing exception. When null is coming, it is throwing what? Exception. Okay. When null is coming, it is throwing exception. No, if and when, that is not an issue, boss. when product is not there. Array if I n, that's not a issue. If n, that's not a issue. 1 minute. Empty DTO. Wait. Empty DTO. Empty DTO. Empty DTO. Cut it. Paste it. Otherwise, we will try to display the record. Otherwise, it will try to display the record. Akshay Bhusha, same code we are writing, my dear. This. Okay. Save it. Right click. Run on server. Right click, run on server, say paste. Sometimes it will test what to do. 16. Reverse coming. Reverse coming. That means, no, that's not an issue, but the question is why it is not coming. 23, okay. 23, fine. 456. 456 also it is trying to give. Okay. 20 also empty values. Empty text boxes are coming. Right. Empty MTR PDTO. Okay, I think MTR PDTO. What is this? PDTO null is nulla. PDTO is nulla, only nulla. PDTO is nulla, equal to null. PDTO is equal to null. Double equal to, it seems. PDTO double equal to null. Okay. If null is, I want to get this message now, no product found. Right click, run on server, say next. Oh, this is not. Run on server, this one, say next, say next. "16 record is coming. 16 record is coming, fine. Some 11, say refresh. 11, it is still giving dots. Why it is still giving dots? That means when null comes, condition null first. Okay. I think I got it. First null, because when null comes first, you have to check for null, na? When null comes first, let me check for null. P double equal to null and empty. P double equal to null and empty. Okay. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Earlier I worked with the list collections here. Collections, it is easy. because checking empty or not. Hmm. Yes, 16, okay. Okay, nice. Next, 23, not there. 23, not there. That means we are not able to check that condition, boss. We are not able to check that condition. What is that? PDTO is nulla nata. Understanding my point? PDTO is null. See, it's going to else. Otherwise, we are getting the record. Fine. So, but we are getting empty table. We are not able to check that condition. What is this? Uh, Actually, not empty PDTO should work, boss. Not empty PDTO should work. Hmm. Or PDTO double equal to null also should work. Definitely should work. 1 minute. In our DTO, any extra code is there? Let me check why it is not allowing to do that. DTO, PDTO, no serializable and normal two strings only there. Normal two strings only there. Why we are not able to check for it? See, Google also gives our code only, same code. Okay, checking not null. Checking not null using JSPEL. JSPEL. You observe same code will be there. Okay, checking not null. See this? Not empty var1. Not empty var1. Observe this one. Not empty var1. Not empty var1. Everywhere you will get our code only. JSTL MTR null. Check it out. Request attribute null, str2 null. Not empty str2. Empty str1. Understanding my point? See our code only there, na boss. I think sometimes servers will give headaches, boss. That's the reason. Empty str1, empty str2, not empty str2. Perfectly the same thing is there. Did you notice it? Okay. Right. So that's what I'm trying to check where we are going wrong. Any spaces problem? Sometimes it won't recognize the changes properly. I will write last attempt, boss. We should not give up this kind of problems. Okay. Tell me. C:\n when test is equal to dollar flower bracket open, not empty. First, let me check. Not empty PDTO. Not empty PDTO. Tell me next one. PDTO not null. PDTO not null and PDTO not null and not empty PDTO. Okay. C:\n tag. C:\n tag paste. C:\n otherwise H1 style color:\red text hyphen align center. What is this? Product not found. What not found here? Product not found. Yes, but I will give this code only. Run on server. Check it out. Say next. Say finish. I didn't say Gradle refresh. That's why not required. When you say Gradle refresh, it won't come. Refresh 16. Refresh 16. Internal problem. 16 internal problem. Why exception is coming? Why exception is coming, Ra Babu? 16 record is not there. String or collection not for object. Why it is not for object, guys? It is also an object, na? It is also an object, right? ToString method is there. ToString method. Let me comment this ToString once. Let me comment this ToString once. Wait. Let me comment this ToString once. Because of the ToString, many extra things are coming or not. Let me check. Cut, paste, and otherwise any condition satisfied I will write R. Any condition satisfied I will write R. Run on server. Any condition satisfied I will write R. Yeah, last attempt, boss. Leave it. Sometimes it happens. This stupid JSTL. 16 here. 16 here. Internal problem. What is the exception I am getting? What's the exception I am getting? What is this? PDTO not null contains what? Invalid expression. Fail to parse expression. Fail to parse expression. I think it is not taking not null. Not null it is not taking. Wait. We will try to evaluate. This much time we have not. P not equal to null. I think I can write NE. I think I can write NE instead of not equal to that. NE. Fine. Wait. We'll solve this problem. Any more time wasted. Let's solve the problem. PDTO not equal to null. Okay. 16. Unexpected result. Nothing has come. Everything come nicely. Okay. Now came or not. Check it out. We are writing wrong expression. Deepanshu Singh, first, Deepang Singh, you cannot now talk about JSTL. First learn JSTL, then talk about it. Learn JSTL, then comment JSTL. You don't have any right to comment JSTL now. Okay. Understanding my point there. This is fine. Now I am writing this condition. Earlier we have, when you write right condition, it has not come, right? Okay. 23. Product not found. Product not found. Now you got it? Yes. The mistake I was doing is it is not empty. It is NE. It is NE. NE. Understanding my statement? Okay. Mr. Deepanshu Singh, now tell me. You are saying na? You are behaving as if you are giving sympathy on me. You are behaving as if you are learning for me. You are supposed to learn JSTL, boss, not me. Please don't keep the face or expression as if you are learning for me. If you learn, fine. If you don't learn, your karma. Deepanshu Singh is giving statements. Sir, I don't know JSTL. Somehow I tried to learn, but because of your error, I'm confused. For whom you are learning JSTL? Yeah, for me, you are learning. Are you getting my point? So come out of that feeling. You are learning JSTL for your sake. You are learning JSTL for your sake. Without using JSTL only, I got output. But why I'm trying to show JSTL? To improve your knowledge. To improve your knowledge. I want reply from Deepansu Singh. You are learning for me or learning for you? Where is that guy? Okay. Then why are you keeping the face off? Sir, I tried to learn. Then who else should try? Tell me. Who else should try, Mr. Deepansu? If you don't try, who else will try? So that's why stop showing your attitude in front of me. Learn the subject. Arrest a fellow. You learn subject. You are supposed to learn. You are supposed to face the interview, not me. Okay, see his statement. Sorry to say, sir. First, I don't know JSTL. Okay, and it's a library, but I tried to understand, but this unexpected result confused me a lot. Great fellows here. Okay. I think everyone understood where we are going wrong. This one, actually we tried this one, but that time our browser problem or server is having issue. This is not equal to null. Understanding my point? Not equal to null. Okay, not equal to null. This is the, yeah, this is JSTL operators, boss. JSTL operators. Okay, now listen. Now let me keep this toString on. Let me keep this toString on. Wait, give me one more minute. Give me one more minute. We'll come to one conclusion. Run on server. Yeah, product ID 23. Product ID 23. Product not found. Came nicely. 16. Nice. It's nowhere related to toString, boss. It's nowhere related to toString. This expression gone wrong. That's what when I got the error, I didn't say, okay, fine, write other code. I was trying in all permutation and combination. Okay, now tell me, this will check whether PDTO is empty or not, and also checks whether it is null or not. If null, control goes to product not found. Otherwise, it will display the table. Yes, the people who are feeling heavy, so please come and attend what? JSTL classes. Which classes? JSTL classes. Understanding my point? Okay, boss. Fine, fine. I do know that, but this expression gone wrong. Okay, instead of not equal to, we are writing n not, but this is any. Any is this one. Any is the solution for that. Okay, boss. Fine. Shall we? Okay, I'll update the project, but still some more improvisations are there in this one year. Okay, still some more improvisations are on this. Ritesh, please reinstall Eclipse once. JSTL 11 o'clock, I will give the meeting ID after few days. 4 o'clock JSTL takes lot of time. You should have a servlet knowledge, JSP knowledge. Okay. Yeah, people who don't have servlet JSP knowledge, don't think that Every day it will be web application. By tomorrow, web application development will be over. By tomorrow, web application development will be over. And again, we'll go back to normal application. Understanding my point? Okay. Srikanth, you are not getting web content folder. I have given procedure of project facets. See the material, Ra. See the material. Project facet, dynamic web module you have to select. Okay, boss. Sir, reinstall Eclipse in a new place. Definitely it will come. Why? Because that time no plugin will be there. No plugin will be there. Sir, this is called expression language. Okay, if you are Lakshmi, if you are using expression language, forget about using expression tag. Expression language, EL code is alternate for expression tag. If you are using expression tag, there is no need of using EL. There is no need of using EL. Sorry. There is no need of using expression tag. We are using EL. EL code is alternate to expression tag. Thank you. Thank you. So my suggestion is nowadays React is doing well, but both are equal, but React is having bit hype in the market. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice time.